You ever walk into someone's house and it just glows? Like the air feels lighter, the shelves breathe, the floor whispers peace. It ain't just the mop and spray bottles, trust me. It's something deeper, quiet habits, old school secrets, things passed down, not picked up off Pinterest. And in today's video, right here at Rustic Pantry, we're unlocking the 10 secrets that keep homes not just clean, but spotless. The kind of clean that soothes your soul. So grab your tea, sit back, we're going in. 1. Clean as you go, not after you're done. It begins small, a plate in the sink, a coffee mug half full near the couch, crumbs under the table. You tell yourself you'll get to it later, but later rarely comes, does it? The pile grows, the mess multiplies, and suddenly your space feels like a war zone. A silent war between you and procrastination. The Amish women don't wait, not even for 5 minutes. They wipe the flour off the counter as soon as the bread goes into the oven. They sweep the crumbs before the meal even ends. They don't leave the mess to haunt them. That's the difference. Spotless homes aren't created in one big cleaning frenzy. They're built with 1,000 tiny, in-the-moment choices. Clean as you go. Right now, not later. Later's a lie, and every time you clean instantly, you win. One small battle at a time, over and over again, until there's nothing left to fight. 2. Ruthless decluttering. Sentiment can wait. Let me tell you a story. There was once an old woman who kept every greeting card she ever received. Every single one, even the ones with just happy birthday written inside. They filled drawers, boxes, even the pantry. Why? She said they're memories. But her house was drowning in paper. See, memories don't live in junk. They live inside you, in your mind, in your heartbeat. The Amish, they live by function. No item survives without a purpose. If you ain't using it, you don't need it. It's not cruel, it's clarity. So here's the secret. Declutter with sharpness. Be ruthless. That broken lamp you'll fix someday? Gone. That dress from 5 years ago you'll fit into again? Gone. Be a warrior against clutter. Every item you own should fight for its right to stay. If it doesn't serve you today, it's serving your mess. And a spotless home has no space for passive baggage. Clean space, clean mind, clean soul. 3. Daily rituals are not optional, they're sacred. Spotless homes don't happen by accident. They're protected, daily, defended like castles. Rituals become shields. Maybe it's wiping the counters every evening, or making the bed the moment you step out of it. Maybe it's sweeping before lunch. It doesn't matter what the ritual is. It matters that you do it. Every single day. No questions, no excuses. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't skip it because you're tired. You just do it because it's not about effort. It's about rhythm. Your home starts to expect it, begs for it. And when you give it that love, oh, it shows. The clutter doesn't stand a chance. The dust can't take hold. And suddenly, you're living inside a space that breathes with you. Feels like part of you. Daily rituals? They're sacred. Break them, and chaos leaks in. Keep them, and your space glows. Constantly, effortlessly, faithfully. For everything needs a home, otherwise it wanders. You ever seen keys just vanish? Or a charger that somehow walks away? That's what happens when stuff has no place. Homeless items become drifters, nomads. They land wherever. On chairs, under cushions, inside random drawers. And the more stuff that roams, the messier your house feels. Doesn't matter how clean the floor is, if objects look lost, the whole place looks scattered. The Amish have a rule. Everything belongs somewhere. Not somewhere vague. A specific somewhere. Shoes go in that box. Gloves in that drawer. Salt jar on that exact shelf. That's not obsession. That's structure. Your home wants order. It craves it. So you give every item a name tag, a zone, a home, and then train yourself. Return things immediately after use, like a ceremony, because when everything has a place, peace returns. Visually, mentally, soulfully. It's not just neat, it's healing. 5. Attack the danger zones before they win. There's always that one spot, the dining table, the kitchen island, maybe the hallway bench, where stuff just collects, piles up, layer by layer. You place one thing, then another, and boom, it's a mountain. These aren't clutter zones. They're danger zones, and they spread like infection. Leave one spot messy, and suddenly the room joins in. So here's what you do. Hunt them down. Every day. No mercy. You walk up to your hot spot and you strip it clean. Like it never existed. No dishes. No receipts. No mail. No clutter. Nothing. Then stand back. Breathe. That silence? That calm? That's what spotless feels like. These zones are the battlegrounds. Win them daily, and you win the war. Lose them once, and they'll own you. Forever. Don't let them. Be fierce. 6. End every night with a reset. It changes everything. Night is sacred. It's where peace is planted. But most folks just crash. Leave the dinner plates. Let the cushions stay twisted. Push laundry to tomorrow. But spotless homes? They never sleep dirty. Because how you end the day determines how you begin the next one. You walk into a clean kitchen in the morning. You feel like royalty. Walk into chaos? You're already behind. So here's the secret. Build a reset ritual. 10 minutes. No more. Put on music. Light a candle. Then wipe. Fold. Sweep. Arrange. Reset. Every cushion in place. Every dish washed. Every corner calmed. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just intentional. The energy shift is unreal. A clean reset doesn't just clean your space. It resets you. Your head. Your heart. Your breath. Sleep better. Wake up sharper. All from a few tiny acts of respect, right before the lights go out. 7. Store your cleaning supplies where the mess happens. You wouldn't keep your toothbrush in the garage, right? Then why store all your cleaning stuff in one dark cabinet far from mess? Think about it. The moment something spills, your motivation has a timer. If it takes more than 10 seconds to find a cloth, you're not cleaning it. So change the system. Place a spray bottle in the bathroom cabinet, a small duster near the living room, a cloth under the sink, one in the car. Cleaning should feel natural, like a reflex, not a mission. When your tools live near the battlefield, you win more often. Mess gets attacked before it settles, before it dries, before it makes a home in your home. It's not about having more supplies. It's about having them smarter, nearby, handy, within reach. Because the secret isn't just to clean, it's to clean fast. 8. Divide and conquer. Zone cleaning is your weapon. Ever try to clean the whole house in one day? Exhausting, right? Soul draining. And you never even finish half. That's because it's too much. The trick? You divide. You conquer. You assign each day to a zone. Monday's bathroom day. Tuesday's kitchen. Wednesday, bedroom. You don't try to clean everything. You focus. And in focusing, you win. Deep clean one area. Just one. But do it well. Like, really well. The nooks. The baseboards. Behind the toilet. The cabinet under the sink. Every week, that zone gets touched. And slowly, every inch of your home starts shining. Without burning yourself out. Without sacrificing weekends. It's not just effective. It's powerful. Your home stays in rotation. Always cared for. Always respected. And that's what a spotless home needs. Care. Love. Rhythm. Discipline. 9. Don't just look, smell. A clean home has a signature scent. Close your eyes and think of clean. What's the first thing that hits? The smell. Lemon. Soap. Air. Something crisp. Something soft. That's the thing. Clean isn't just seen, it's felt. Through the nose. Through breath. If your home smells musty, dirty, even if it looks fine, But if it smells fresh, magic. The air itself feels clean. So work on your home scent signature. Use open windows. Fresh air is underrated. Use essential oils, lavender, citrus, mint. Simmer cloves. Boil orange peels. Drop vinegar in your sink. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets. These aren't tricks, they're transformations. When your house smells like calm, it becomes calm. Spotless isn't just what your eyes say, it's what your senses scream. 10. Guard the entry. It's where chaos sneaks in. The moment the door opens, chaos tries to sneak in. Dirt, bags, muddy shoes, flyers, random items that don't belong. That front door is not just a passage, it's a barrier, a wall. Guard it. Start with a good mat. Inside and outside. Train everyone. Shoes off. Always. Make it non-negotiable. Have a basket for shoes, a tray for keys, a hook for jackets. Make it look like a system, even if it's small, especially if it's small. The cleaner your entry is, the cleaner your everything feels. Guests feel it. You feel it. The home breathes better. It doesn't let the outside world drag dirt all the way into your bedroom. Respect the entryway, and the house respects you back. That's where Spotless truly begins. So there it is. No gimmicks, no expensive gadgets, just the real stuff, the old wisdom, the quiet discipline. You don't need more time. You need better rhythms, daily rituals, sharp zones, a bit of heart in every wipe and sweep. And once you really start, it becomes second nature. Your home doesn't just look clean, it feels holy, like it's finally breathing with you. If you felt something shift while watching, don't forget to subscribe to Rustic Pantry. We're all about slow living, quiet hacks, and timeless homemaking. Until next time, stay grounded, stay clean, and love the space you're in.